And friends, hello friends, my name is Santosh and you are seeing Santosh Gaming FF. Now it's really dark and now it became white. And actually, I learned editing, so I can't put editing videos because I don't know a lot of editing. So please, can you adjust? Okay, friends, today is our target to do Booyah in this classic match. I know it sounds some funny that you will tell the target is to do in ranked match Booyah, but in classic match I like to play in classic because there is nothing, no rank minus and no problem. But a lot I play rank matches. Friends, when before we land down and hit all bandas, we need a gun, friends. Till that time run. Friends, I got M to be which I don't know to snipe. Not that I don't know fully. I know how to snipe with this M2B, AWM and Kar9 8K, but not that better. I don't want Spas. It's the worst gun. By the way, I have good skins, but I'm taking M14. I like that gun. Friends, MP40 time. I don't want sniper ammo. I want glue walls. I have only one. Wait a second. Now okay. And friends, I have already made a video on this before. I didn't upload it, but now afterwards I understood that I didn't on the recording. I want SMSG ammo. Already, okay. I saw here only spas. And friends, in next video I'm going to bring a fun topic which might help you in some ways, but not in every way. Means you can. He didn't even notice me that I was coming near him with a powerful gun with M188. Wait a second, I have glider or what? No. If I would have glider, I would glide, I think, but no. I need many kits. And friends, if you don't like this video, just dislike it and come and write in the comment section below because I'm running out of topics. Wait a second, let me test this gun. Oh, it's only one shoot. So I will take Examite. And some people will tell who like M14. Whoever you are, why are you exchanging M14 with a gun Examite which is weaker than it? I have a practice with Examite, so that's my answer. My favorite gun and not the favorite gun at the same time. Okay friends, I have a funny question for you. If you can answer it, write in the comment section below. That is the when a gun which you like it and don't like it at the same time. And if you know this, I will say that you are a legend. Because I'm a noob. Okay. And friends, I have many topics about things like facts and etc etc. You can type any fact in the any topic in the comment section below so that I can tell you about that list all. And there is a voting. Okay friends, if any if you like these topics, like if you like Free Fire facts, write put like on this video. And if you don't want these facts and want the gameplay videos, press on subscribe. Do something. Oh, if subscriber I can't count, so put dislike for gameplay videos. But friends, when you're doing like even subscribe friends, I need support. I have low support. I'm trying my best to give you nice topics friends, so please subscribe. There's an airdrop, let's loot it. Wait second, did I get any loadout? No friends, I didn't get it. I have full Nubda wala dress and etc. Wow. And friends, actually, most of the people think that jumping is pyro. Actually, no, friends. Jumping is also like a mistake. Yes, think you are hitting a person who is trying to jump up and come down with MP40. And whenever you try to hit him with MP40, when he comes down, the aim automatically goes on his head and he gets a headshot there. And if you see a body shot death is really easy, but giving damage gun is the most important. And friends, let's finish this game fast. I couldn't even kill a banda. Oh, only one I could kill. That too in clock tower. Let's see, friends, who will be nice. Who will come at least to die in my hands, or else who will come and I should die in their hands. No fail. And friends, after some days I'm going to do without voice videos. So if you want that videos, I can give them at April April 11th, means from tomorrow. And friends, if I do booyah in this match, I would be really happy because I didn't even get a booyah. Only when I don't want a booyah, I'm getting a booyah. When I want a booyah, I'm not getting a booyah. And you can see this Punkster bundle, right? I got it because of I was playing class squad. Sorry, I was playing with my squad a game, and I saw 4 people rushing at us at the end. We didn't know that. We thought that there were a lot of people, but no, there were less people. So we could at least do kill them, and we thought we have to kill another 5 or 6 people, and we got automatic booyah. And whoever it was helped me like something, and another person in ranked match did how means he took double M8 2B. A person put glue wall and he was prone down. He doesn't know how to take this. He doesn't know how to control M8 2B and shoot it down of the glue wall. And that boy got headshot who was back of the glue wall, and we got a booyah. It was the craziest booyah ever. Okay, story time done, friends. Just concentrate on the gameplay. And the banda who was catching Examite and shooting it somewhere, he noted that a banda was there. So let's see. This is the only oil barrel which pranked Jubhai in peak. If you didn't see that funny moments, you can see it in Amit Bhai's channel. So we'll stop talking about it. Continue our gameplay. Arey banda, somebody tried to give me at least 1 damage. No banda had gave me damage. And that time you saw me wearing medikit, right? Actually it was fall damage by a hill because of airdrop. Let's see what will happen. I need a banda, friends. And friends, I told you that time that nobody jump, right? You can jump only if the banda has any like if he gives 54 damage with SKS Dragno, you can jump because it prevents you to get headshot and you can put glue wall. I need a banda. There are only 4 people and I killed 2. Wow. And see, it's here on a bigger zone. Oh no, now Banda's time is coming, so be careful. I have only 6 glue walls. And if you have 6 glue walls, how you can play a gameplay with only killing 2 Bandas? Write in the comment section below. And even write the imagination of how you can survive in this mood when you are playing in this match only and playing like me, but with some changes. So write it also in comment section below. Nowadays nobody's commenting me because I took a lot break of my holidays and I was reading, so I was a lot of busy. So now I'm ready, I'm free, so you can anytime comment me or tag me. And I have to have social media, right? So how you can't tag me. So let's continue. Already 13 minutes happened, and if you can't see this long video, just see the part, just see this last moment, because this might be for me scary and for you interesting. Who wins, who loses? And now nobody takes sniper. I'm really scared. Because one person will take AWM, give us patka, and we'll put glue wall. We'll put medikit. And when our medikits are over, last patka will still be alive. We'll try to shoot him, we'll die. So only I don't like snipers. Is anybody there? Oh, a banda. I had gave him damage, but I have to go in safe zone. Run down. Now I'm near him, almost near the zone. So at least I can escape from him, I think. Now in this pakka I should do booyah because it's my first time recording video. Not the first time in recording in this channel actually. This is the first try one. If it's I couldn't success means I will make another video and put. I won't do that because already I have reached it like this. And in next match, if I by mistakenly die in factory roof, I would be known as the noobraest ever. Even noobra among my friends. Well, I'm Piro actually, but it happens. Where is the banda? I'm so scared. Where is he? Oh no, zone! Why does the zone come in the match? Run. Oh no, enough. I can't see any banda. Oh, only one banda left. It's a situation I'm going to get heart attack. But I won't get. And its peak. The place where I landed was... Wait a second, let me remember. No, actually I was looting somewhere. I didn't remember. But it was this place only, means it's a magic. Oh no, that banda is coming. What to do? Haha. I also have glue wall. I'm also coming. Oh no! Hey, this boy! And friends, don't think I'm a noob. I survived till the last night, so one like please. And this gives me enough motivation to play another games. And even subscribe if you are new to our channel, because I don't have even support, friends. There are low viewers. Nothing to do. Just be in a place, take video and go. If you at least show a bit support, I'll be happy. So make sure that you see every type videos in our channel. And I will meet you in another videos. Bye friends. Bye.